Where is the cow? Cow. Moo. Where is the chicken? Chicken. Where is the elephant? Elephant. Yun. Where is the horse? Where's the horse? Horse. Where's the horse? Where is the color yellow? Where is the color black? Black. Where's the color pink? Pink. Pink. Not that. Purple yan eh. Where's the color red? Red. Oh, red. Very good. Where is your elbow? Where's your elbow? Where's your elbow, Calix? Where's your elbow? Can I see? Can I see your elbow?
Ay, tapon mo na ano mo, ice cream.
Wala.
Kami na ice cream. Yun na, wala na laman, wala na. Oreo.
Kinimbol mo.
Yeah.